Do you want to make the best samosa and spring rolls wraps that won't tear or crack? Today, I will show you how to make a soft and stretchy wraps, a delicious filling, and how to wrap and fry them to crispy golden perfection. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to another recipe video. Let's dive in. For the wraps, you'll be needing all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt, and water. Always make sure to sieve your all-purpose flour. This will remove the dirt and make it very easy to use. Add in your corn flour and salt. Then mix well to combine before going in with your water. To add in the water, you have to pay attention. Add it bit by bit. Then you knead very well till it becomes stretchy. For it to be easy to use, you have to allow it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. When it has rested, now it's ready to be used. Section into small balls. Do well to check the ingredients and measurement in the description box. There are so many ways to make samosa wraps, but this is the best one to work with. When you're done with sectioning into smaller balls, now let's get into the main process. You will be needing this all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, and a rolling pin. Get a small rolling pin like mine, it's easier to work with. Pick 5 balls at a time. It's easier to work with 5, don't work with less or more. Then flatten each ball and roll into smaller circle like seen. Later on this video, I'll tell you why you should pick only 5 balls. With continuous practice, you will get this perfect and you will love it. On each circle, rub vegetable oil and sprinkle all-purpose flour. Stack on each other, then use the 5th one to cover. When you're done with the stacking, secure neatly and start rolling. Try as much as possible to roll it out round. Roll till very thin, set aside, and start another set. While rolling this, be careful not to tear it. This is the most delicate part of this process. Let's go over it again so that you understand it better. Pick another 5 sets, make it into smaller circles. In each circle, rub vegetable oil and sprinkle flour. Then stack them onto each other, using the last circle to cover all. Then secure it and start rolling out. You are going to be rolling this out till it's very thin. Be careful not to tear it. You continue to practice this and you will be so perfect. When you are done with rolling all, you move to the next section. On a low heat, put an empty pot on fire. Then cook each side gently. Be sure not to burn it. If you notice that the pot is becoming too hot, remove from fire. This is because we will not want to burn our samosa wraps and make them useless. In this process, be close to the pot. Don't allow the bag to burn because you can still use it to wrap your samosas or spring rolls. When you're through with each one, allow to cool down before separating. For adventure, any side was burnt, just discard and use the inside alone. Are you seeing how neatly this was cooked? It was not burnt, so I'm going to use the bag. I normally use this bag for my samosas. Because it's 5 we stack together, we remove the bag, then gently be removing the other 4. At this stage, also be gentle and soft. While doing it, it looks like cloth, but still know it's a dough. If there were too many, you might end up tearing everything together. If there were 2 or 3, mistakenly if it gets burnt, everything will be damaged. When you're done with separating the wraps, cut out the hard edges and make into your desired shape. Are you seeing how thin this wrap is? Will you believe this is actually a samosa wrap? This is the best samosa wraps to work with and it lasts for days and months. So these round shaped ones, I normally use it for my spring rolls. I'll be teaching you here how to fold spring rolls. Sure to store in a tight place and put in the fridge till you're ready to use. Let me give you some ideas in case you're using this for a business. Always set it aside for your samosa. Then my best cutting for samosa is to cut it straight. While wrapping your samosa, it makes sure the filling is secured inside. It will not burst while frying in the oil and it will not burst while stored in the freezer. Are you seeing how many I got for my samosas? They are much, right? I'll also secure in this airtight foil paper and store in the freezer till I want to use them. Now let me teach you how to make the best samosa filling. In a pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in your sliced onions. Fry a bit to bring out the fragrance. Then add in your minced meat, be it chicken or beef, any meat you're using. Then saute till all the water dries up and it changes in color. Feel free to add any spices you're comfortable with. I always go with my powdered curry powder and dried thyme because the taste is mild and everyone can fall in love the first time. Add in your scotch bonnet pepper and continue to saute. Also add in your seasoning cubes and salt and continue to stir fry. When everything has married each other, you now add a little bit of water and allow the chicken to be cooked. Be very careful not to over add water. You want the water to be totally dried up when you are done. When your chicken is cooked and the water is totally dried up, you now add in lots of spring onions or green onions. Mix well to combine. Then bring down your filling and set aside to cool down. For your wrapping glue, you just need all-purpose flour and water. Start adding water to your flour. Make sure not to over add water. As you add water, mix very well and check the consistency before adding another water. Continue to mix till you get the right consistency like seen on the video. To wrap our samosas, bring out your stored wraps. Also your samosa fillings. Make sure it is cooled down before folding. Add in your samosa, rub the glue and make sure it is secured as seen on the video. The good thing about this wrap is that it lasts for months in the freezer without spoiling. So if you're into small chops business, try and learn this process. It is much more better. Are you seeing how easy this wraps is to work with? Okay, let us practice how to fold our spring rolls. So we're going to be using our round wraps for our samosa. Add in your fillings to your wraps. Secure neatly, rub the glue and then neatly fold. Remember that practice makes for perfection, so continue to practice and you will be the best at what you do. When you're done with the folding, store in an airtight container or fry immediately. Are you seeing how beautifully this is folded? To get that crispy and golden perfection, heat up large quantity of oil, not too hot but close to hot. Continue to stir occasionally in the oil till you get that golden perfection. Also fry your samosa in not so hot oil but close to hot. Are you seeing how crispy this samosa looks? If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my recipes. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this homemade or if you have any question. I love hearing from you. Are you seeing how crispy these spring rolls look? If you're in small chops business and want to perfect it, I do one-on-one training too. I'll also drop the video for the puff-puff and peppered meat in the description. Can you hear how crunchy this is? This is samosas and spring rolls to perfection. Whether you want to perfect your small chops business or you just do it for the family, you need to save this video and also share to get to someone else. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next delicious video. Bye.